Welcome back, leather crafters. Let's make another one of these. Not the same. I'm going to use one pattern or one type of material for this and the other one for this right here. And these are the ones that I'll be using. Let's go do the cuts, punches, putting that together, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the end results. Let's come back. Alright, we're back. And this is the way it looks compared to my other one. Softer material right here. I didn't do any tooling, nothing. You can't do anything like that on this. Like right here, I did all this tooling. The edges for the border was all tooled. Same thing with the back pieces. This is I would say 5 to 7 ounce leather. This is really thin, but this is the end results. When you put it on, it pretty much looks like the Mortal Kombat reptile, but this was an easy 2-hour build. Thanks to Tony again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you won't miss another video. Bye.